So, does it mention anything like this? Does it allude to anything like this in the Yoga Sutras or in the Pranayama texts?
In pranayama text, it's not mentioned. It is mentioned in the 5th chapter of the book Hatha Pradipika.
It's mentioned.
It's mentioned. Hatha Pradipika says, wherever you feel there is obstruction, by obstruction it is meant a disease. Yasmin yasmin yada deshe ruja badha prajayate tasmin deshe sthitam vayu manasa parichintayet. If you feel there is obstacle in the heart, you concentrate on the heart, and not only that, do what? While concentrating on the heart mentally, inhale and then exhale fully and hold till the maximum possible.
Amazing. So through intention, you're directing.
Although probably the ancient rishis, they did not know the term hypoxia. They even probably did not know whether oxygen existed or carbon dioxide or whatever existed. But they knew this thing, that if you hold the breath in full exhalation, focusing on a certain area of your body, it may be your shoulder, it may be your knee, or maybe your heart, or whatever, it will definitely improve the function of that particular part.
Amazing. This is amazing. Breakthrough stuff. So